Okay, so I just got this Blackweb headset. I got this in Walmart for $70, and it has 50mm drivers, and what else? Noise cancelling, comfortable over ear headband, USB connection. I've seen a lot of good reviews about this, and I'm really excited to open it up. So this is the box. It has a 50mm drivers, noise cancelling, comfortable over ear headband, what else? Retractable mic and a USB connection. So I've seen a lot of reviews about this, and all those reviews are pretty much good with considering the price. So I haven't opened this one yet. Let's try what's inside. It has virtual 7.1 sound. Well, basically this is all of the features on it, and what I'm really after about this is the noise cancelling. I'm going to try the audio in a while, but yeah, first is let me open this up. So this is what's on the box. So we have a manual here. It's the box. This is the actual headset itself. Let's remove the box from here. Wow, this one feels slick. It feels really sturdy, and it has a metal frame in here. Let's take this off. That's the microphone in there. So this is how it looks like fitted in my face. I'm not sure. Yeah. So here's how it looked like. I can't really hear anything. You can't. It's like all the background noise are like really been eliminated. It fits perfectly in your ear. Wow, the sound quality is very nice. Surround sound. You can adjust the volumes from here. You can also turn on and off the microphone through here. So yeah, it sounds really good. Quality overall is a 5 for me. So there's no drivers needed to be installed. After I plugged in the USB, it automatically been recognized by the computer. I'm using Windows 10. So yeah, that's it for now. My overall impression about this headset is really good. So it fits perfectly. It's very comfortable to the ear. The sound is surround 7.1 and it's really good. The microphone is retractable, and aside from that, it has noise cancellation, active noise cancellation. So basically, that's the main function that I was looking for. And then I had the computer headset, and yeah, I'm so happy with this. And if you if you're looking for a computer headset around the price of less than 100, then this would be the best. I highly recommend this. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye.